Hello everybody, I'm here today to show you Doodle. It's not the Doodle app where you can draw. This is for setting up appointments and meetings. And after checking it out and researching it, this is a pretty good website, app, whatever you want to call it. It's really good. And right here what it says, it shouldn't take 30 emails to schedule a 30-minute meeting, which is correct. This helps out so much because you invite people and they get to vote on the times that they are available. It's really good. Like this says here, skip the email guessing game. We've all had those. Are you available on Tuesday at 2? No, not till Thursday at 7. This just clears up all those email threads and it sets a professional tone. You can't change the time zones, and you can have one-on-one meetings. There is one, if you sign up, you can get a time block, so you can put out a calendar and say you're available this time, this time, this time, and people can select a time to come and see you. And if you have 3 or more people in a meeting, it's just great to get those times. You can, for a price, integrate your calendar. I'm going to have to talk to Linda about that because this is a really, really great option. And it does take Doodle and Outlook calendars. So if we go back up to the top, for the free version, you can sign up and still have a free version, but let's just do this one first. We'll get into it. You just hit create a doodle. So you have to enter your title. So let's put accounting meeting, and then you can put where the location, or whether it's going to be a conference call, Skype, Zoom, Hangouts, wherever you want. So we're just going to put in here Robin's office. And we can add a note. We'll put meeting with Robin for Patty. Okay. We're going to hit continue. We'll get rid of that later. I'll show you that in a little while. Let's go to next week. And so Robin wants a meeting with Patty. So you looked at Robin's calendar and he's available at 2 o'clock on Tuesday. And then you can change. It's a half-hour meeting. 2:15. 2:30. Change here. We're at 3:30 and 12 o'clock. Put those in. Those are the dates that Robin is available. You have the time zone set for our time zone. I tried to put in Seattle. That didn't work. So you're going to have to be Los Angeles. And then you hit continue. And these are this one here is all on the premium. We'll have a look at that in a minute. You want yes, no, if need be. So they can select. You can limit the number of votes. You can limit the participants. And you can have a hidden poll if you don't want anybody's name to be seen. So we're going to hit that one. We're going to hit continue. And then it's going to be from Nikki. Put in who it's from, Nikki, and you're going to hit finish. And then it's going to, with the free one, you can't do an email. If you hit link, then you just copy the link. And then you can go over to, see, right here, the counting meeting. It's right there. You can hit compose, and then you can put who it's to. So it's going to be Patty. We're going to do that. And you put accounting meeting. And then you just paste the link and you send it. And then they click on the link and they vote. So we're going to get rid of that. But if I can go up here, this is what they will get. They will have a vote. Right here, and it will tell you down here. So this is Patty, and Patty will say, I'm available then, and then you hit send, and that will go. So we go back to this one. If you hit invite participants, once it gets, and you can see here, this is what you will get back. The Patty is available on Thursday at 3 to 3:30. It's great. Now, if you have more participants in the meeting, they will be listed, and that same thing will happen. They will vote, and it will tell you how many people voted that this day is great or this day, and then you can figure it out from there. This is great. But I will go back here. I will show you something. I made an account. Okay, and then that will tell me right here. And I will say that I'm available these days. Where did it go? And we go back up here, and we're going to go to the dashboard. I did a practice one here of a staff meeting and an accounting meeting, and 2 out of 2 voted. So that is great. This is what I was talking about, a bookable calendar. Yeah, there's no calendar. So, but if you go up to here, I'm going to ask Linda about this because I think this is a great tool, and for $7 a month or $84 a year, that this is a great option. You can start a free trial, which I really don't want to do until I've spoke to Linda, but you can sync your calendars. You can get reminders. You can set reminders. You can ask for email addresses. You could get Zoom, Outlook integration, so you can put in your calendars and your contacts. This is one-on-one meetings, which is the same. The other thing that I don't see here, there was before I started. You can do one-on-one meetings Or you can have a poll. Say you would like a poll to send out everyone in the office that, what do they want? Do they want pizza, tacos, or hamburgers for a special occasion on a Friday? You can send out a poll to everybody in the office. They can vote for it. And you get the poll back, and then you can decide. Majority wins, right? So I would suggest you all look at it, because this is a great, great tool. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.